For the window pane cartoon, I mixed quite a few different sounds within Flash itself to create some really crazy and disturbing sounds of the tree. The tree is a scary, scary thing. Now, most people are scared of trees just by themselves, but when a tree makes a noise and roars, that's a whole different ballgame. Now, let's talk about how I did that, and I'm going to do this right here, and we're going to see how this sounds when I mix an alley cat, a buzz sound, a horse whinny, and a T-Rex. So let's go ahead and preview them individually. So here's the alley cat. Here's the buzz sound. Here's the horse whinny. And here's the T-Rex. Okay. Now when I combine all of these, it's going to be bad. So what I'm going to do is going to go ahead and name this alley cat. And I'm going to drag the alley cat sound right to this timeline frame here, or right to the stage. It depends on what platform you're on. I'm going to extend this out to frame 35 with F6, of course. And we're going to create 3 more layers here. We're going to name this one Buzz. And we're going to drag the buzz sound to this particular frame. We're going to name this one Horse. And we're going to drag the horse sound to this frame. And we're going to name this one, let's see what we have, T-Rex. And let's drag the T-Rex sound to the frame. And then when I press the enter or return key on the keyboard, you're going to hear a really horrible mixture of sounds. Horrible all around, and just, I mean, if you could just take any sound you could think of, I mean, you should mix organic with mechanical. For example, throw a chainsaw in there, throw a buzzsaw in there, throw an airplane in there, put a car engine. If you could mix sounds that are alone disturbing and you're trying to create some very cool things, then you can really come up with something original. You can create spaceship sounds, and, a spaceship can be anything. It could be a blender. And you can play a blender. You can just, don't forget how to edit the sound. We covered that earlier, but just in case you forgot, I'm going to just click anywhere in this T-Rex sound and click the edit button. And don't forget, you can lower the volume. You can also click and drag new handles so you can have sounds appearing and disappearing at will. So if you don't want to hear this portion of the sound, just have that part below the waveform and then have the sound appear again. And all I'm doing, once again, is I'm clicking. And when I click on this effect edit envelope, the handles appear. So you can just go ahead and at will change how the sound is going to occur. Okay, well, that is how you mix audio, and that's what I did for the window pane to create the awesome tree sound.